Linda's scores on 5 tests are 84, 80, 76, 96, and 80. What must Linda score on her 6th test so that her average will be 85? Well, in the 5-step process, the first step is to familiarize ourselves with the problem. And what we know is we'll let x equal the score on the 6th test, and that her other 5 test scores are here. The second step is to translate the words into a mathematical statement. Well, what we know is we want her average to be 85. And we'll translate that into math by saying the average is the sum of all her test scores, plus this one, divided by the number of test scores. In other words, 84 plus 80 plus 76 plus 96 plus 80 plus x, all divided by 6 because there are 6 scores, and that average has to be, so that's the equals, 85. Now, we will multiply both sides by 6. That, of course, will allow us to remove a factor of 1 from this side, leaving us just with the sum above. Let's add these numbers together, and they total 416 plus x, and then 6 multiplied times 85 is 510. Subtracting 416 from each side gives us x equals 94. We just did the carryout step, which is the 3rd step in the process. The 4th step in the process is to check the answer. And the easiest way to check would be to substitute the 94 in for x, add up all 6 test scores, divide by 6, and if it equals 85, we're right. And it does, in fact, do that. The 5th step in the process is to state the solution. So Linda needs a 94 on her 6th test.